TeraFlex's rear track bar relocation bracket for the JT Gladiator corrects the vehicle's roll center, providing better handling on and off-road. The rear track bar bracket can be installed with either the tires on the ground or with the vehicle lifted in the air. Begin by disconnecting the track bar from the axle end. Loosen the bolt on the frame end, but there's no need to remove the track bar completely. Set the rear-facing section of the clamp on the axle. It can rest on the sway bars so you don't have to hold on to it. Attach the front-facing half to it by loosely installing the bolts. Feed one end of the provided bolts through the center of the outer bracket into the factory track bar bracket. A spacer fills a spot where the track bar used to attach. The inner bracket attaches to the other side. Loosely install the back nut. Install the tri-lobed spacer in between the two brackets. If you install the bottom bolt and thread it in a little way into the clamp first, then you can rest the spacer on it while you install the other two bolts. Loosely install the track bar back into the bracket using the provided hardware. The vehicle we show here has a 3.5-inch TeraFlex lift kit installed with a rear lift height of 1.5 inches, so we will attach the track bar to the lower hole. The lower hole is used for 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rear lift height with a minimum of 2 inches of bump stop. The upper hole is for a rear lift height of 3 inches or more with a minimum of 3 inches of bump stop. Tighten the hardware at the factory track bar location first. The 3 bolts that connect into the clamp will come next. Then do the 6 small clamp bolts. When tightening, make sure the gap on the top and bottom of the clamp is even. If you have installed the track bar relocation bracket with the vehicle in the air, return the Gladiator to the ground so the suspension is under load before tightening the track bar hardware. Be sure to tighten both ends of the track bar.